Greetings. Yesterday another tragedy occurred in Georgia. In the Guria region, after heavy rains and a landslide, 3 people died, 2 of them teenagers. 62 people were evacuated. Special drones are used for surveillance in the disaster zone. Manpower, heavy equipment, a group of dog handlers, and swimming equipment have been mobilized. On September 24, the International Georgian Wrestling Federation will hold the European Georgian Wrestling Championship (Chidaoba) for the first time in history. The championship will be held in the ancient Greek amphitheater in Thessaloniki, Greece, where athletes from more than 25 countries will take part. Chidaoba is a type of wrestling in clothes. Before the fight, the wrestlers dance a special dance, Palavnuri, on the site. Musical accompaniment during the fight is performed on Georgian instruments Zurna, Duduki and Doli, Georgian drum. The Autumn Beer Festival takes place in Dedaena Park. The festival hosts various events. Free admission. The traditional cheese festival will take place on September 17 in Mtatsminda Park. The event will also feature honey, wine and tea. Yesterday, on September 8, a strong fire occurred in the courtyard of the National Archives of Georgia. A fire broke out in one of the buildings where old films, which spontaneously ignite, were stored. All films are digitized, copies are available and the film material will not be lost. The Rugby World Cup has started in France. Today the Georgian national team will play at the World Cup with Australia. Georgia's group opponents will also be Fiji, Wales and Portugal. At the famous resort of Georgia, the former sanatorium, Skaltubo, was sold. The owner of the sanatorium must place at least 100 rooms and catering facilities on the hotel premises within 5 years. The large-scale investment project, New Life of Skaltubo, continues. The stage of the Junior Grand Prix in figure skating ended today in Istanbul. The sports couple Anastasia Metelkina and Luka Barulova, performing on behalf of Georgia, took first place after both the short and free programs. Good luck to all of you.